Hello, son. What are you going to do for us today?
Do my ABCs.
In English and Spanish?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, come right here.
A,
B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Hey, just 20 months old. Just 2 years old. Just short of a week now. Do you think he can say his ABCs by sight?
A, B, C, E, F, E, H, I, A, K, L,
L?
M,
Uh-huh.
N,
Uh-huh.
N,
Okay.
O,
Okay, come on this side.
P,
Uh-huh.
Q,
Uh-huh.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Boy, you better come. 2 years old.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Just 3 years old.
H, I, J, K, L, M,
We call this game the Think Tank.
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
You can't do that in Spanish, can you?
Yes.
Let me see you do it.
A,
Kind of difficult in Spanish. Some letters have multiple sounds.
F, A, I, C, K,
Mm-hmm.
Hey, listen. Okay. Cool. A day. I say K. E. J. Vega. Theta. Leo. Stay. Alphabet. Okay.
That was easy.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Grand prize. Are you ready, super friends?
Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready. A is for
Apple.
apple is.
Masala.
B is for
Boy.
boy is.
Olina.
C is for
Cat.
cat is.
Ugato.
D is for
Dog.
dog is.
Elfero.
E is for
Ear.
ear is.
Oveja.
F is for
Frog.
frog is.
Lawana.
G is for
Go.
goat is.
El Tibo.
H is for
How.
house is.
La Casa.
I is for
Igloo.
igloo is.
Igloo.
J is for
Jacket.
jacket is.
That's the quota.
K is for
Cat.
kite is.
La Cabeda.
L is for
Lion.
lion is.
Ariel.
M is for
Monkey.
monkey is.
Amona.
N is for
Net.
nest is.
Elnita.
O is for
Octopus.
octopus is.
El Pulpo.
P is for
Pig.
pig is.
El Sada.
Q is for
Queen.
queen is.
La Buena.
R is for
Rabbit.
rabbit is.
El Conejo.
S is for
Sun.
sun is.
El Cell.
You got it, Dylan. T is for
Top.
top is.
Piazza.
U is for
Agua.
umbrella is.
La Pawagua.
V is for
Violin.
violin is.
Violin.
W is for
Wagon.
wagon is.
El Gagon.
X is for
X-ray.
x-ray is.
Where else they keep?
Y is for
Yoya.
yo-yo is.
Yuya.
Z is for
Zebra.
Z is for
Zebra.
zebra is.
Zebra.
There you have it, super friends. Dylan wins.